Do you wish to live more naturally and earn more? Have you ever thought of owning a garden? Today, more homes, offices, and businesses are realizing the importance and advantages of gardening. It is believed gardeners live 14 years longer than non-gardeners because they are closer to nature. You can create a natural, serene, and beautiful environment where trees and flowers take in carbon and let out oxygen. Animals, including insects, birds, and microorganisms, can flourish in the environment, making it attractive and able to regenerate and prolong life. Aside from making the earth green again, a garden gives you a sense of pride and fulfillment. In this video, we will take you through how to start a garden that flourishes. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. A garden is a piece of land usually outdoor where flowers, shrubs, fruits, vegetables, and other plants are grown. A garden is meant for the display, use, enjoyment of plants and animals, and for beautifying the environment. The act of caring for flowers and plants is what is called gardening. Having a garden can be therapeutic. It could help create sound mental health and physical balance. With a rich collection of flora and fauna, your garden can be a little tourist attraction for fun seekers, passers-by, visitors around your home, and researchers. Other natural elements like sunlight, water, air, and soil contribute to the growth and protection of organic phenomena. Studies show people patronize businesses with beautiful gardens because they are more attractive. A garden can lessen your mood of isolation, promote your relationship, and help you socialize with others better. Beautiful trees and flowers add a touch of glamour to your home or office. A garden promotes a green environment and helps in its way to avert natural disasters. If you care about a tranquil and stress-free life, then you should have a garden. It is possible to start a garden from scratch. You can start around your home with household tools and about 2 or 3 flowers and trees to a wide collection. However, the cost of a garden would vary by location, size, and complexity. For example, pieces of garden tool sets on Amazon cost between $20 to $40. For landscaping, you pay from $4 to $14 per square foot, while new plant installation cost ranges from $1,400 to $6,000 depending on the size. On the whole, starting a square foot garden can cost about $4,033. To start a garden, you need to know your climate zone and what plant or crop is suited to the zone, and determine the season in which to plant your seeds. You make this inquiry at the Agricultural Department, USDA. This will help you determine your climatic zone, temperature, soil texture, plants, and their seasons of planting and growth. Next, plan the location, size of the garden, and what to plant. Some plants require enough sunlight to blossom, while others require some amount of shade from direct sunlight and heavy downpour. The size should also determine your choice of plants. Acquire your garden tools like an edger, hedge trimmer, mower, sickle, shovel, hoe, planter, drill, kitchen knife, pruning saw, plant pots, gloves, and other tools. Then prepare your garden beds or ridges 1 to 4 feet wide. Make sure the weeds are removed. If you prefer flat soil without beds, it should be done in rows with spaces between plants. Decide on whether to plant seeds or transplant seedlings. Make sure you plant your seeds or seedlings properly according to the required depth. You must be extra careful when transplanting. Make a hole the size of the seedling pot or container on the bed with a trowel. You must bury the soil hole from the container in the bed, making sure you do not cover up the plant stem with soil. Check the water level of the soil by dipping your finger 2 inches into the soil to know its level of dryness. If dry, water some more, but do not let the soil become soggy or waterlogged all the time. Some plants do not require too much water and may soon decay. Just make sure your plants have sufficient water at the right time. Lastly, you will need to nurture and take proper care of your garden as you would a baby. Water when the soil is dry and weed regularly. Prune, stake, and cut off dead leaves and branches at the proper time. Growing your food saves you money on groceries while eating healthy. Growing fruits and vegetables on a small plot, if well cared for, can earn dollars in the natural food market where Americans now flock to eat healthily. The natural food market is growing by $1 trillion each year. Plants like flowers, herbs, mushrooms, ginseng, trees and shrubs, and many others are in high demand, with a bamboo plant now going up to $170 per pot. You could make money from the flocks of insects and other animals, as well as the wild and rare species of plants that find their home in the natural habitat, and you can make it a small tourist attraction. You can also hire out your garden for parties or camping. Whether a home or commercial garden, to save or make money, owning a garden has a lot of dollar prospects. According to money.com, a 600 square foot garden on which households spend $70 yearly could yield 300 pounds of fresh produce and turn in a profit of about $600 yearly. A well-established crop garden at a running cost of 40% can churn a profit of $60,000 to $100,000 for 1 acre yearly. We hope you found this video helpful. Do you have a garden or plan to start one? Let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.